Hello, my loves. I'm really excited today to do an unboxing from Coach. I wasn't expecting this to come in, so this is going to be really quick because I don't have a lot of time. It is the Coach Brooklyn 28. Let's open her up and see what we got. I was told in my Coach collection video that in order to get the boxing that you had to ask for gift wrap. So I clicked gift wrap on the website. I'm hoping I did good. Oh, how nice. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? They gave me a gift card that I wrote to myself, and it says, "You are amazing. Celebrate life always." This was just a little gift to myself. We got to romanticize everything. And then they provided a thank you card for shopping with them. I love black and brown right now, so that was beautiful. So thank you for telling me that I had to request a gift boxing in order to get this because it's absolutely beautiful and I love this for storage. Here we go. We have it tightly tied together. I got the Brooklyn 28 in the maple color. How gorgeous. Let's get some of this wrapping off. My goodness. They definitely have everything protected. Dun, 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 dun. She is gorgeous. On the front it says Coach New York with a heat stamp. They have their Coach tab here on the side, which everything says Coach on it, all their brass hardware, which is lovely. This is the back side. You can see the stitching of the large pocket from that right there, if you can see. One large piece of leather, so it's not double lined, which gives you the beautiful slouchy look. And I actually love the stitching on the outside that you can see everywhere. Normally, I'm not a fan of that, but I just thought it was something different from what I have in my collection. There are no feet at the bottom, but it does say natural full grain leather. I'm not sure how long that heat stamp will last on the bottom, but it's there and it's beautiful. The strap is really nice and thick. Looks like it'll be comfortable. I just cannot wait to give this a worn in look and just be kind of reckless with it. Throw it all over the place, stuff it. I noticed right away that this magnetic closure is very strong, which I love. So there's no other way to close the bag, no zipper, just that magnet, but it is strong, so I love that. The pocket inside has a button and it's really tough. I had to undo it to get the stuffing out and it's very strong, so I like that. I went for the size 28. They do have a size 39. The 39 is actually bigger than my Reprojects tote. So if you watched my What's in My Work Bag video, I had a tote bag, a big black tote bag. Actually, I'll show it. This size is the smaller of the two options right now on the Coach website. The 39 is bigger than this. Let me show you. Bigger than this bag. So this was the bag that I showed in my video. It's very large. It definitely fits an entire laptop, plus snacks and organizer and any and everything else that you want to fit in there. So there is a big difference. If you're looking for just a small, well, this really isn't small. If you're looking for a medium-sized work bag that you can just bring all your things, maybe you have a computer that you just keep at work that you don't have to bring home, or maybe you just want a fall bag and not have to worry about anything for work, I would definitely go with the smaller size. The larger one, if you want strictly a work tote, or if you're like a big city girl where you have to, you know, take trains or take buses and things like that, and you just want to be able to throw other things you might need, like a pair of shoes or something like that, I would opt for the larger size. Now, their Brooklyn 39 is larger than this. Just to give you an idea of sizing, my Brooklyn 28 has a length of 11 inches, height of 11, and width of 3.75, whereas the 39 has a length of 15.25, a height of 17, and a width of 4.75. This black bag from Reprojects has a height of 13.78, a width of 11.02, and a depth of 3.15. So this bag is directly in the middle. It's like 2 inches bigger than this, but also like 2 inches smaller than the other one. So the other one is a rather large bag, and I am 5'9". This bag is a decent size on me. It still looks like a large bag. Even on my frame, because I'm kind of like tall and slender, I think it would be a little bit much unless I don't fill it. If I don't fill it and it gives a slouchy look, I think that would be okay. I actually like that look. I just really wanted something for fall that was not so structured. We know I love a slouchy bag, but not so slouchy. So I think this is the perfect combination of the two. It's got great stitching on the sides and the bottom that kind of give it a little bit of shape, but at the same time, you can give it that worn in, lived in feel by just using it and getting all of the potential out of it. This price point was also a wonderful price point. It was $295, but I signed up for the emails and I got a $20 off coupon for my first online purchase, which wasn't my first, but it was my first time actually registering on there. So that's a great deal, $275 for this bag. They also have so many cute keychains. I'm not really sure if I wanted to invest that type of money. It's like, you know, $80 to $100 for a keychain just to give it a little more character. If I feel like being playful, I did buy some keychains on Amazon to dress it up. So we can add 1 or 2 and see what that looks like. What I really love about this bag is that they give you the ability to put jewelry on your bag or to dress up your bag, because they added this D-ring right here on the opposite side of this one right here. Even if you have short chains, because I didn't realize how short these were going to be, it should still work. Oh, I don't know. These are short. This one's really short. Barely. Okay. So you may need to make sure your chains are long enough. These are really meant to just like hook onto one and let it dangle there. But just to show you. So you can either dangle the keychain off of the one hook like this, or if you find something long enough, you can use that inner hook and hook it from one side to the other and give it like its own unique look. So this would be cute. Let's say we just hook that there. Something like that. You get the effect. So I'm gonna have to play around with this and see, you know, what kind of look I'm going for. So anyway, you get the gist. You can just play around with it and decorate it however you see fit. But I really love that they just give you that option. So you can put jewelry on your bag. You can show off your own personality. Or if you are more of a minimalist, of course, use the bag just how she came, which is beautiful all by itself. The price point for the larger size was close to $500. I think it was $495. I just really love that the price point on the smaller one was so nice, because the size of the smaller one is actually what I would prefer. So just so you see how it looks on me. It's not very wide. You can't really see it from the other side. And it is thin enough for you to just flatly rest your arm, unless you stuff it. But it's very comfortable, the shoulder strap, and I just think it's going to be gorgeous for the fall. You can still wear it in the summertime. If I have on some brown or tan sandals, I could just wear it with this even. It's just a beautiful bag, but I think fall time, oh, it's going to be so nice. The only thing I wish it had was feet, but I do see now that there's companies that are selling magnetic feet that you can put on the bottom, so I may try that out just to protect the bottom of the bag. With my Reprojects bag, it has sharp corners like that, and I noticed those are like the first things to start to wear and tear. Just be aware of that. I definitely, at first impression, believe that it's so worth it. This is like a classic style that you can use for years and years. I will do an update video after I get to use it and let you know how it goes. So anyway, thanks for unboxing with me, and update to come soon. Love you. Bye.